Hello! Welcome back mga soy! For today's recipe, we'll be cooking chicken katsu curry from Wagamama. This is one of the restaurants that we always go to here in the UK. My son loves their chicken very much. I hope I will be able to replicate it tonight. Here it is! Soy! For our ingredients, we have here garlic, eggs, onion, half chicken stock, half vegetable stock, soy sauce, salt, cooking oil, garlic powder, black pepper, plain flour, sugar, coconut milk, mild curry powder, turmeric, ginger, peanut butter, breadcrumbs, and of course, chicken breast. For the chicken, ikakat lang natin siya sa gitna para maging dalawa siya. Like this. So optional lang, pwede mo siyang pukpukin or tenderize mga kapatid para lalong lumambot yung chicken natin. Pero at this point, I think it's unnecessary kasi malambot naman yung chicken natin. And I'm making it simple for you guys. So dapat ganyan siya. So kalahati like this. Cut mo lang siya into half. So this is about 2.5 kilograms of chicken breast. So makakagawa ka na ng 10 pieces. After kung makat yung chicken, lightly season ko lang sila with salt. Lightly season lang soy. Pepper. And then garlic powder. Lightly season lang soy. Then mix mo siya para totally covered lahat ng area ng chicken breast natin. Pag mainit na yung pan natin, soy, we'll put oil. Huwag masyadong marami, konti lang. And then our garlic. That's our garlic, about 6 cloves. 1 medium-sized onion. Bango soy! Lutuin lang natin yung onion natin at saka yung garlic, and then we'll add some more spices to it. Yung par lang soy. And then yung ginger natin, about 2 teaspoons. Mild curry, 4 tablespoons. Turmeric, 2 teaspoons. Then mix natin. Haluin lang natin yung mga spices, soy. Ang bango. Toast lang natin, soy, yung spices. Then next, mag-add tayo ng 2 tablespoons of plain flour. Yan yung thickening agent natin. So, toast lang natin ito ng konti. Ito bali yung ating roux sa French. Next will be 500 ml of half chicken stock, half vegetable stock. So, ang ginamit ko lang dito is cubes. 2 cubes. 1 chicken and 1 vegetable stock cube. Oo. Medium par lang, soy. Baka masunugan tayo. So thick. Next, maglalagay ako ng 1 tablespoon of peanut butter. Yung original recipe, wala siyang peanut butter. But I want my sauce to be like a touch of satay sauce. Next is coconut milk, about 400 ml. Isang can po siya, soy. This will make it creamy. Oh. Mix mo lang siya palagi, soy. Baka dumikit sa lutuan mo. Next, I'll put a bit of light soy sauce. 2 teaspoons. Next, I'll add the sugar. 2 tablespoons of sugar. One tablespoon of butter. Just melt it. This will make your sauce more creamy. I think that's cooked now, soy. Next, we'll do the chicken. Soy, the next step will be frying. So, habang pinapainit natin yung oil natin, bago natin lagay yung chicken, meron siyang 3 stations, which is plain flour, egg, scrambled, and our bread crumbs. Dahil season na yung chicken natin, wala na akong nilagay na seasoning sa ating flour, egg. Dahil mainit na yung ating oil, let's start breading the chicken. Flour. Make sure na covered po siya lahat ng area. And then goes to your egg. And then breadcrumbs. Pitpitin po natin siya para kumapit ng mabuti yung breadcrumbs sa ating chicken. check para mainit na ang ating oil, lagyan mo na siya ng isang breadcrumbs. So mainit na siya, soy. Lagay na natin yung chicken natin. So kasya po yung dalawang chicken in one go. Medium heat lang para hindi tayo masunugan. I'll cook this for about 3 to 4 minutes until it's golden brown. Kahit deep fry siya, I try to turn it around para evenly cook yung chicken natin, soy. Press mo lang siya para lubog na lubog siya sa oil. Ganda niya, soy. Look. Nice. Golden brown. Konti pa. Mga few seconds pa, soy. That's roughly 4 minutes. Then put it on the side and drain the excess oil. Dahil hindi kami makalabas, I'm cooking this for my son Anton. He loves this chicken so much. Ito ang laging order niya pag nasa Wagamama kami. Batch na to, soy! Look at that! It's so crunchy! So, cut na natin yung chicken, soy. Soy, rice, vegetables, salad, chicken, next, the sauce. Look at that soy! Anton, here's your favorite order.